My name is Randall Gurney. I'm the Assistant Emergency Manager here in the city of McKinney. This year, as you're aware, has been a little bit more active than a typical weather year. June has been very active with severe weather, especially on the weekends. We've all seen it with winds coming through, heavy rains coming through. If you find yourself at home during severe weather, you want to put as many walls between you and the outside and on the lowest level floor. So if you have a multi-story home, go to the lowest level floor in your home. If you have a dedicated safe room or storm shelter, you may want to seek cover there. If not, put as many walls between you and the outside, eliminating windows as well. If you're not at home and you're out and about, outdoors or even at a shopping center, if you're in your car, you want to try to get somewhere safe. There's a lot of tools out there, social media, apps you can look at, know what's coming weather-wise. If you're on the road driving, the biggest thing is you do not want to stop under overpasses. Stopping under overpasses impedes traffic for other drivers. They may not see you, can cause accidents. You always want to be prepared for different things that may happen. One of them, we may lose power here in McKinney for an extended period of time, be it severe weather, winter weather, or something like that. We recommend having supplies to support you and your family for 72 hours following an event. Items you want to include in that: water. We recommend about 1 gallon of water per day per person, both for hygiene and also for hydration. First aid kit, foods that you can cook or prepare without cooking. A weather radio, so you can get information about what's going on in the event. Flashlight, extra batteries, hygiene products, deodorant, soap, shampoo, toilet paper. We forget about those things. Other things you don't want to forget about if you have young kids, activities for them. If you have pets, extra food. A way to open cans for your food without electricity. We're all used to having fancy can openers. Another thing a lot of people forget about is cash, and then also important documents, such as copies of your Social Security card, birth certificate, any type of important document, insurance paperwork. Those are things you want to have in a kit, in a box, so you can take with you, easy to grab, and you know where it is following an event. For more information about what we talked about today, including additional information, you can visit www.mckinneyoem.org, or you can also visit mckinneystexas.org and access it through the emergency management page.